Let me share with you how I constructed a homemade under generator. That is what you are seeing on the screen. I constructed it myself. Let me share with you how I did that just in about 3 minutes and some seconds. This is the generator. I bought the alternator, or you can call it coil, separately, and I also bought the engine separately. As you can see the two, then I ensure that each of them come with a pulley. Then I bought a fan bed, a V bed that will drive the two together. This is the gen I've been using for years and it's very cheaper to construct. You can give a base to the welder for them to construct a base for you where you are going to, or if you know how to weld, you can simply do that. You can see the base now. That is where I installed the engine and also the alternator. Then I use a belt to drive the two together. The alternator is about 3.5 kVA and it's sufficient for my backup to power my house. As you can see, I put it on tire, and that is what I'm touching now. It's just a rubber that I fixed there in order for to avoid vibration. I put it on the alternator and also on the engine to avoid too more excessive vibration. And I also put the whole thing on tire so that it can absorb the vibration. You have to be careful about the alignment. This is very, very important. You need to be careful about the alignment. You can see if I use the second engine pulley, the pulley way, it will not be alignment. So I have to use the first one for me to have the alignment. If you get the alignment wrongly, you'll notice that you have to be having broken bed every time. But if you get the alignment correctly, you're going to enjoy the engine. So as you are buying, you have to ensure that the engine horsepower is bigger than the coil horsepower. Yes, so that the engine will be able to drive the coil. Remember, it is the engine that want to drive the coil. So, and also the pulley of the engine must also bigger than the pulley of the alternator, so that the alternator can run faster than the engine. So by the time the engine go to once, the alternator has almost gone as twice. So that is why the engine or the pulley must bigger than the alternator or coil pulley. This is a very simple thing to do. As you can see, it is able to generate current for me, light, me and my family. It's a simple thing you can try to do. And if you have any question on how to go about it, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. It is very, very cheaper for you. Don't forget to like, share this video to others, like, and follow me for more tips like this. You can watch another video in the